Mr. Angie Holness saying get furious and this is out of Anan. Small.
Hello guys, greetings to my Caribbean people and to all of my viewers all over the world. So I'm your host Larry, and to my new subscribers, I want you to feel much welcomed, and to my returning subscribers, I want you to know that you are really valued for your support. Well, today I have a video, just a continuation of the previous incident that happened in Clarendon, Cherry Tree Lane, you know, of the inhumane, the massacre that was going on, the shootings that involved the lives of eight people and 9 others injured, including children. So just a continuation. We've had a series of Jamaicans react to it and have their say onto rather during the onto that incident. So let's have a watch, or rather look at this video, and we discuss more as we educate ourselves.
Guys, I want you to take notice that every single time when there is a massacre, every time when there is a mass murder or something outrageous going on in the country, the Prime Minister always come and condemns it. Always. You never yet hear him come and implement strong laws that will deter crime. You never yet hear him come and implement certain policies that will deter somebody from creating crime. He always condemns the killing, always, nothing else. You see nothing else from him. And let me open your eyes to something. The Prime Minister does not want to invest in things that can mitigate crime. Jamaica has the money to get certain resources to mitigate crime. But let me tell you, this is bigger than surface level. This is bigger than what we think it is. Every single politician, every MP, every councillor, they know every criminal element in their constituencies. They know 95.9% of the time they are working with these criminal elements. Majority of the politician knows about organized crimes going on in the country. So when you see them come on TV and them a smile, or when you see them come on TV and a cry and a mourn with the victim's family, they don't mean it. They don't mean it at all. Not even a camera the Prime Minister wants to invest in for the safety of the Jamaican people. I recently saw an article in the Observer that says they are going to put cameras in prisons. But cameras are already in the prison. Camera already in the prison. Do you know that warders have cameras? Cameras are already in the prison. All you think people know about Marcadine case and stuff like that, cameras are already there. What they need to do is, or what they should do, or what they can do but will not do, is put cameras on every street corner. Put more CCTV on the road to monitor the place so that we can see what is going on. They have the money and they have the resources to do so, but they choose not to do so. So when you see Angie Holness, or when you see the rest of them come and them behave like they want a change, they don't want any type of change, right? They don't want any type of change. They know what to do. They don't have to copy El Salvador. They know exactly what to do. They know how to soften the blow a lot of times, and they choose not to.
Guys, don't get distracted by that guy video. Here, that is something that they planned to come out and distract us with that video. You understand? But don't fall for it. The reason why him come out and do it, him know say the leader now go track him, because the leader already know say him do that video to protect him. Them now go track him down. Because the youth most clever enough to know say him can't come out and speak like that on a device. Because I easily location and easily track down and easily find. But because him know say, if him come out and said it, them now go track him down and now go hunt him because what it a benefit the leader. You understand? It a benefit him. The whole of them know about it. And the whole of them plan pay him and make him come out and do it. The whole of them know about it. Because the eating at the kitchen is very hot. And them are cooling down. So no come out and look here. We know say all of uno behind this foolishness, sir. And if uno never behind it, uno da locate him just like uno da locate the little boy under the bed. Here. We know so uno behind this bullshit. And we not fall for it. You fool a man sometimes, but you can't fool him all the time. We know no dirty tricks and what uno capable of. Here. So you can't come out and go say, I go sweep off all of Clarendon, good luck to him. You want to come out and go say, I go sweep you and your wife, good luck to him, see, and we are who know. But we know say something and something, we know what good on look this up. We know because we have up here, so we have the brain, we are work on the brain, and we are calculate things, and we are analyze things. We not stupid. We know what is going on. And all what is going on is to drive fear in people for them can take on the needs. Here.
Andrew Holness. What you deal with? What you deal with, Mr. Andrew Holness? What you deal with, Star? What the man I deal with, Rasta? Yo, me come for all a little reasoning with the eye and the eye cabinet, you know. Because me see a thing a go on and me I wonder if I pay a cockery in your cabinet. Saying, all the crime rate of Jamaica, the eye them can't solve it. And Jamaica is just a like a small island with 2.something million people. And a handful of people are walk around a bus gun. And the them can't control that. So what if the eye, Mr. Andrew Holness, did I run a country like Germany? We have over 100 million people. How you angle that? Now look here. I live in Germany. And Germany is a country that manufactures a lot of guns, saying and weapons. And I never hear a shot bust here so yet. And over 100 million people live here. I used to live in Switzerland in a place called Bern. Bern City. Up in a place called Mori. In a Switzerland, every man is entitled by law to a gun in them house. Every man is entitled to a gun in them house in a Switzerland by law. 99% of the people them in Switzerland have a gun in them home. And I never hear a shot bus yet. How is the crime rate in Switzerland? 0. Germany have over 100 million people. How is the crime rate in Germany? 0. So how they then can control a little bit of Jamaica with 2.something million people and a handful of man run around. I commit crime and I kill people and I shoot people. How they then can control that? I don't understand it. See, let me tell you something, Mr. Andrew Holness. You see, if the eye needs some advice to solve the crime problem there, forward to Germany or Switzerland and find out from them how them keep for them big giant country under control. That's for them crime rate at 0. See, because I wonder if a bucky master I tell you them to run the country so to destabilize Jamaica. Yeah, it's right. Yes. So Jamaica can unbalance. So the them can do what they want to do. Me, Shakin Murray, said that no Andrew Holness. I'm one of them listen to me, you know. See, with no disrespect, you know. No disrespect to the them, you know. I just facts and reality. Take a listen for this here, Mr. Andrew Holness. Yes.
Yes. So I believe that you've watched the video, and yes. So to begin with, thank you again for subscribing to my channel, and that gives me a very, very good impression, and your support, like, it makes me feel like I belong. So on this incident, we can say, for one, I think we've heard the lady say that the government have enough resources to actually mitigate this crime rates in Jamaica. So why are we saying that? So here we know that that there is these taxes that people like the government takes or rather collects. That money is supposed to be used to enhance security for people, security for the citizens of the country. But rather, we've seen in my previous videos that the PA was called out by Jamaicans and his wife for using the tax money to only benefit themselves, buying themselves fancy houses, fancy cars, and all that. But instead, that money is supposed to be used to like curb these issues of insecurities, crime rates in the country. So another thing is we can have a feeling of or rather to call it an organized crime. Like we've seen Jamaicans claim that this incident, it's not just something random, like it's something organized. Why are we saying that? So the reason is the politicians really knows exactly what to do to reduce this incident, or rather such incident. They know clearly how to deal with this. These politicians knows who's the masterminds, or rather who's behind this. But why are they not doing anything? So thing is, the reason as to why they're not doing anything, it's because there are the big fish, you see. And these politicians knows that if we do this, or rather if we expose this, we'll be rubbed off. So what they do, they just choose to let it happen. Innocent lives, they're being taken, properties that are being stolen, destroyed. But what for? Well, the act of cowardness. That's a very, very bad thing. Cowardness. So you find somebody like, instead of just exposing and defending the rights of people, the people's safety, the lives, they choose like to just obey and let things go wrong into the country just because they don't want to lose their seat, or rather they don't want to lose their power. So guys, what these politicians are forgetting is that the people's lives matters more than anything. The people's lives matters more, and way much more than these powers you have in this seat. Like for an example, I stand to be corrected. You've heard in the video that one Jamaican says the PM is not suitable, is not ready to be the PM. I believe everybody has their own reasons to why someone should say something like that. And the Minister of Security, what is he doing? We've heard people call out the PA. They're telling him first, for you to rather have a peaceful government, for you to make sure that the lives of all the citizens that are being taken care of, you must first clean your house. And by cleaning your house, it doesn't mean like the apartment, the building. No. That's not what the point is about. By cleaning your house, we mean by start with those who are below you. Those people who you've assigned to certain categories. The Minister of Health, the Minister of Security and all that. Are they doing their job? go down to the education and all that, all the sectors, are they doing their job? If they're not doing their job, rip them off. Give somebody else who deserves that chance to somebody who can take care of the rights of everyone. These are our own people. Why are we letting these criminals take the lives of innocent people? And you, as the Minister of Security, what are you doing? The police who are under you, are they doing the right thing? Are they doing their job? Or is it that they're lacking the proper equipment? Or rather, is there any protocol that they're following that's keeping them off from doing their job? Well, there is a lot to this. And as I promised you guys, we will be uncovering everything, and those people, or those in power and they're not doing their jobs, we will be uncovering them, because our voice matters more than anything. So guys, remember to give me a like, a subscribe, and a share. I'm your host Larry, and let's keep our voice up. Let's stand for our rights. Let's call out these leaders who are not doing their jobs, so that we may have a proper working government and leaders who are ready to do their job. I'm your host Larry. Peace out.